ਕਰਨਾਟਕ 'ਚ ਸਿਆਸੀ ਨਾਟਕ ਵੱਧਦਾ ਜਾ ਰਿਹਾ ਹੈ। 13 ਮਹੀਨੇ ਪੁਰਾਣੀ ਕਾਂਗਰਸ ਤੇ ਜੇਡੀਐਸ ਦੀ ਗੱਠਜੋੜ ਸਰਕਾਰ 'ਚ ਅਸਤੀਫਿਆਂ ਦਾ ਦੌਰ ਜਾਰੀ ਹੈ। ਕਰਨਾਟਕ ਸਰਕਾਰ ਦੇ 13 ਵਿਧਾਇਕਾਂ ਦੇ ਅਸਤੀਫਿਆਂ ਤੋਂ ਜਾਰੀ ਹੋਇਆ ਸਿਆਸੀ ਸੰਕਟ ਰੁਕਣ ਦਾ ਨਾਂ ਨਹੀਂ ਲੈ ਰਿਹਾ। ਅੱਜ ਕਾਂਗਰਸ ਦੇ ਸਾਰੇ 21 ਮੰਤਰੀਆਂ ਵੱਲੋਂ ਵੀ ਅਸਤੀਫੇ ਦੇ ਦਿੱਤੇ ਗਏ ਨੇ। ਕਾਂਗਰਸ ਦੇ ਕਰਨਾਟਕ ਇੰਚਾਰਜ ਕੇਸੀ ਵੇਣੁਗੋਪਾਲ ਦਾ ਕਹਿਣਾ ਹੈ ਕਿ ਸਰਕਾਰ ਨੂੰ ਬਚਾਉਣ ਤੇ ਬੀਜੇਪੀ ਨੂੰ ਰੋਕਣ ਲਈ ਮੰਤਰੀਆਂ ਨੇ ਅਸਤੀਫੇ ਦਿੱਤੇ ਨੇ। ਉੱਥੇ ਮੁੱਖ ਮੰਤਰੀ ਕੁਮਾਰ ਸਵਾਮੀ ਨੂੰ ਭਰੋਸਾ ਹੈ ਕਿ ਇਹ ਮਾਮਲਾ ਜਲਦ ਸੁਲਝ ਜਾਵੇਗਾ ਤੇ ਉਹਨਾਂ ਦੀ ਸਰਕਾਰ ਚੱਲਦੀ ਰਹੇਗੀ।
I have heard their request. Even I have taken all information from our officials. From last 10 years, several governments, every year they released up to the extent of 428 crores. Even after releasing that amount, that factory condition is not in good condition. Even now to start this year crop to crush the sugarcane, we required another 69 crores. Government has to release. All these things I have taken the information from officers and farmers. Ultimate decision to save the farmers' interest, I will take the decision.
Sir, is everything okay with the political crisis?
That issue we will solve it, don't worry.
Government will run smoothly.
It will run.
Look, this, after coming back to Karnataka, this is the sixth time BJP is trying to destabilize Congress JDS government. Previously they have attended 5 times, but they failed terribly. This time also they are using their entire agencies like central agencies like IT and DD and everything, and they are offering money and ministership and doing horse trading for destabilizing this government. Anyway, Congress party will strongly face this situation. We are strongly believing the strength of the party in Karnataka, and we are still confident this government will continue. There are lot of rumors in the atmosphere, and exactly some of the Congress MLAs and JDS MLAs resigned from their MLA-ship. We do agree that situation has been erased. Some of them are some grievances. Some of them are talking about the ministry expansion. Of course, in democracy we cannot accommodate everybody, you also know. But for the larger interest of the party, yesterday and today we have a detailed discussion with the senior leaders of the party and our ministers. Today morning we met with the ministers. At the prevailing condition, the ministers themselves voluntarily resigned from the ministership as far as the Congress ministers concerned, and they entrusted Congress party for taking a necessary decision for reshuffling the government to settle the issues in the present scenario. Actually, I am sincerely thanking the ministers' decisions and their attitude to sacrifice their ministership for uniting the party, for defeating the anti-democratic attitude of Bharatiya Janata Party to destabilize the government. Anyway, party will take a decision. I told you earlier, we are believing the strength of our party workers, and we are believing the MLAs. I think we are ready to discuss with everything. Therefore, they should come back. Those who are resigned should come back and to strengthen their own party. That is what we are thinking, that they will come back. Definitely, we are very confident that this government will continue then this will be the sixth failure of BJP within 1 year to destabilize this government.
BJP people, they do not believe in parliamentary system of democracy. They are always against democracy. Not only in Karnataka, in some other states also, in West Bengal, Andhra, in some other states, Madhya Pradesh, Rajasthan, like that, they are trying to destabilize the government which is formed on the basis of the mandate given by the people. In Karnataka also, in the 2018 election, the people of Karnataka are not given mandate to BJP to come to power, to form the government. Fractured verdict has been given. Under the circumstances, the people have given mandate to Congress and JDS put together. We are in majority. Congress and JDS put together in majority. BSP has also supported us. Independents has also supported us. We are 120 members in the assembly. They are only 104. Now they are 105. 105 is not 113 or 120. They can't form the government.
ਦੂਜੇ ਪਾਸੇ ਮੰਤਰੀ ਜ਼ਮੀਰ ਅਹਿਮਦ ਦਾ ਕਹਿਣਾ ਹੈ ਕਿ ਜਿੰਨੇ ਵੀ ਵਿਧਾਇਕ ਬੀਜੇਪੀ ਕੈਂਪ ਗਏ ਨੇ ਉਹਨਾਂ ਚ 6 ਜਾਂ 7 ਅੱਜ ਸ਼ਾਮ ਤੱਕ ਵਾਪਸ ਆ ਜਾਣਗੇ।
थोड़ा देर इंतजार करो, आज शाम तक इंतजार करो। अभी जो 10 उधर उनके बीजेपी के कैंप में जो 10 आदमी है, आप शाम तक इंतजार करो। कम से कम 6 से 7 जन वापस आने वाले हैं।
अच्छा सर, राजशेखर आप मुंबई जाने वाले हैं?
अभी सीधा है ना, अभी वही तो लेके जा रहे हैं। कल आप देखे होंगे जब भी बॉम्बे के लिए जाने के लिए निकले, जब भी हमारे कांग्रेस के एमएलए और जेडीएस के एमएलए, उधर कौन था? उधर बीजेपी का एक एमएलए उनको रिसीव किया। मतलब खुले से है कि बीजेपी का ही ये चाल है करके, और ये लोग कुछ भी करने दो। आज शाम तक आप इंतजार करो। अभी जो 10 लोग उनके कैंप में जो है, 5 से 6 दिन रात तक वापस। अभी पार्टी का आदेश होना चाहिए ना, मैं ऐसे थोड़ी बम्बई जा सकता हूँ। पार्टी अगर मेरे को आदेश देगा, बम्बई नहीं और बॉम्बे जिधर भी बोलेगा, मैं जाके काम करने के लिए पार्टी का तैयार हूँ।